This is a drive-through freaking Chipotle.
Ooh.
This is so cool. This is awesome. Yeah. Alright, if you watched the last duplex video, you saw we started painting. Oh, whoops. But we were rolling it, and rolling it is such a pain, so we're bringing out the big guns. Got the sprayer this time. Let's see how this goes. Definitely need goggles for this.
This is intense.
This is 1,000 times easier than rolling it. Definitely worth it. Paint sprays and I got it on my lens. So I got paint on my camera because paint sprays like crazy. But I also, I don't know if you can see, but I got it on my phone too. It's like, it's on there. You gotta kind of scrape it off. So I need to wipe that with a rag, but now I gotta paint the walls and get those all sprayed. Alright, that was like 30 minutes max. And the whole place was sprayed completely. Ceiling and walls. That's pretty awesome. If I had this back when we were, what the heck? Oh, got a little paint on my face. If I had this when we were doing my house, we would have done it in like 2 days rather than like 2 weeks. This thing is awesome. It's like 220 bucks, but the time that you save doing this, it's amazing. Highly recommend. I still think we're gonna have probably one more layer to do, but so far it's looking pretty good. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for a little while. While it dries, I'm gonna toot around on the excavator, then I'll show you how the room's looking. So once it's dry, I think it's gonna look pretty good. The paint goes on pretty evenly, pretty smooth, sprays on real nicely. Look at my camera. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? I got paint all over my camera. My lens is friggity, but look at my phone too.
Oh my god.
It's like all over my, I look like I'm going gray. Swag. Excavation king.
Wow, holy crap.
Yeah, the spray looks so much better.
God, it looks so like smooth.
Yeah, it looks thicker, smoother, just on there, like it's on there good. So that's what we got done. We've now got 3 layers of paint done. 2 layers were sprayed, 1 layer was rolled. Looks really awesome. Looking nice. Ceilings look all good. But that's about it for this video. Kind of came out here on a weeknight and just got a little bit of work done. Guess this would be like episode 4.5, because it's really not a full video. More like a quick little update to our last video. But it's looking good. Place looks awesome. Really excited with how it's turning out. Next few weeks, this place is gonna look awesome. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see y'all next time.
Dude, it's gonna look so good.